What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that each term is obtained by adding constants to the term before. There are two types of sequence, which is infinite sequence and finite sequence. Infinite sequence will continue forever, as the dots will tell you the sequence will go in, while finite sequence will stop at some point. What is constant? Constant is also known as common difference and is represented as D.
First formula is the formula on how to calculate the nth term, which is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D, where A is the first term, n is the number of term, and D is the common difference. Next important formula in arithmetic progression is the formula on how to calculate the sum of the first n terms. This formula is n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Another formula, the n over 2 times a plus l.
We have a number sequence here, which was 1.2, 2.4, 3.6, 4.8, and so on. And say that the question wants you to find the 18th term. So first we have to identify what the first term. So the first term is 1.2 plus n, which is 18 minus 1, is the common difference. So to find the common difference, we just have to minus the second term minus the first term. We got 1.2. Answer will be 21.6. The same number sequence, we can also get the sum of the first n term. Say that you want to find the sum of the first 4 terms. So you just substitute the variables inside the formula and you calculate, and we'll get 12. Okay, so to prove whether the formula is right, we just check the answer here. 8. Okay, so if you calculate this way also, you will get 12 also. So this proves that the formula here is correct because we got the same answer.
Okay, now we are going to answer this question. It says that diagram 1 shows a cultivation plan of the jackfruit saplings on a trapezium-shaped plot of land belong to Mr. Suhaimi. According to the plan, first line can be planted 8 saplings, and the next line increased by 2 saplings. So based on this statement, we know that they are talking about arithmetic progression, and the first term is 8 and the difference are 2. So the question asks us to find the number of jackfruit saplings must be bought by Mr. Suhaimi if only 14 lines can be planted by him. So this means it asks us to find the sum of first n term. So we will be using this by substituting all the data given, which is the first term and the difference, into the formula. We will get the answer, and the answer is 294.
So this question is about arithmetic progression. So it is given that x squared, 5x and 7x minus 4 is the first 3 consecutive of an arithmetic progression. Find the value of x where x is positive. So untuk arithmetic progression, dia ada common difference. So common difference dia ialah 5x minus x squared equals to 7x minus 4 minus 5x. Okay, so this part 5x ni adalah second term minus dengan first term. Dan this part pula 7x minus 4 is the third term minus dengan second term. So common difference untuk both side ni sama. So sebab itulah kita boleh equalkan dia. So dan kira macam biasa. So 5x minus x square sama dengan 2x minus 4. So kita akan form a quadratic equation, and dia akan jadi x square minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So kita boleh tekan calculator, tapi kita kena tunjuk steps factorization tu dulu. So bila tekan calculator, value of x dapat 4 and negative 1. So dia akan jadi x minus 4 darab x plus 1 sama dengan 0. So value of x dia is x minus 4, x sama dengan 4 or negative 1. Tapi dekat soalan dah cakap yang x ni positif. So jawapan akhir dia ialah x sama dengan 4.
For the first example of arithmetic progression application are in stadiums. We know that a stadium has a lot of shapes, and the concept is almost similar to flower petals. Here, we can see that the number of seats in the stadium increases as the perimeter of the ring increase. In the first row, there are 100 seats, but in the second row, there are 150 seats. Thus, the number of seats in a row increases by 50 for each row. So we can use arithmetic progression to count how many seats are there in the 15th row.
You have a big family and you all are very hungry, so you guys go to a mama store because it is very cheap. Then there will be a mama guy come to you guys and ask how many people in the family, and you guys will answer like 12 people. And then the mama guy will start to arrange tables, 1 table, 2 tables, 3 tables, and 4 tables for 12 people. All of these are related to arithmetic progression.
To see this picture as the stack of chairs would be higher if we add the number of chairs. Let's see here. Let's say the height of this chair is 76 cm, and by stacking one more chair on this one, the height of the chair would slightly increase 10 cm. So what would be the height of 50 chairs? For example, in this video we have the amazing Gary Sladek who can stand on towers of chairs. But if there's a big fan on top of his head, what would be the maximum number of chairs he can stack before his head touches the fan?